Ndewonu ndị ọma na-ege ntị. My name is Nwada Amala, onye nkuzi Igbo, your Igbo teacher. Today, we will learn the greetings, ekene, and self-introduction, nkọwa onwe in Igbo. Let's start with good morning. Igbo culture has no specific morning, afternoon, or evening greeting. But with the advent and evolution of languages, good morning is now literally translated as ụtụtụ, morning, and ọma, good, which means ụtụtụ ọma. Good afternoon, ehihie, afternoon, and ọma, good, which means ehihie ọma. Good evening, mgbede, evening, and ọma, good, which translates to mgbede ọma. If you want to speak like a native, when you meet people in the morning, afternoon, or evening, you can just say ndewo if it's an individual, or ndewonu if there is more than one person. Ndewo can also be used in place of hi, hello. Another morning greeting in Igbo is Ebolachi. Have you woken up? Ebolachi can be used as a morning greeting or as a response to a morning greeting. At night, Igbos say kachifo, which translates to let the morning come or let night brighten. To say how are you or how are you doing or how are you faring in Igbo language, so far as you want to check on the person's well-being or state of mind, you say kedo ka imere. Kedo, how? Ka imere, are you doing? Kedo ka imere. If you want to ask about the person, about a family member or acquaintance, you insert the person's name or prefix after ka. Example, kedo ka nne gi mere. Here, nne is the prefix, mother. How is your mother doing? Kedu ka Amala, name of person. Amala is the prefix. Kedu ka Amara mere. How is Amala doing? You can also just say kedu, especially to your peers or people you are older than, and it translates to the same thing. Ademoma, I am fine. Odimma, it's fine, he's fine, she's fine. Hadimma, they are fine. These are all responses to kedu or kedu kimere. Kodi or kodino is the Igbo way of saying bye-bye or next time. Let's practice with a conversation between a neighbor and the neighbor's son called Emeka. Ndewo. Hello. Ndewo Ebolachi. Hello, have you woken up? Yes. Kedu ka imere? How are you doing? Ademoma, I am fine. Kedu ka nne gi mere? How is your mom doing or how is your mom faring? Odemma, she is fine. Kedu ka ụmụnne gị mere? How is your siblings doing? Ha dị mma, they are fine. Ka ọ dị, see you again or see you next time or bye bye. That brings us to the end of today's lesson on Igbo greetings. See you in the next episode where we'll be talking about parts of the body in Igbo language. See you again.